Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Just want to give you guys a quick little update video on the 350Z. We're moving right along with the welding. As I told you before, I'm not going to bore you with every little weld on it. That gets monotonous real quick, but I will keep you updated on it. We've come through and we welded a rocker panel down, the quarter panel down to the rocker. It's there. We're welded up all around here. Across the rear pan, the whole rear pan is in. I got a few more welds to go on the floor pan itself, and I do need to get in here and weld up inside of our jam here. But coming along nicely. Next time you guys see this, the next video I'm going to put out is going to be actually moving on to the next step, which will be the bodywork phase and lining up all these mismatched gaps on the front clip. You guys have been following along, you know that the front clip gaps are a little off, but we do have some bumper brackets and some new hood hinges that's going to help with that. And we'll be moving on to that next step once this is finished welded. So there's your update. A lot of you guys were wondering. I appreciate you watching. Check me out on Instagram. We'll keep a link in the bio. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for future videos. You guys will want to stay tuned. We've got a lot of things going on around here. We got the Nissan hardbody that we're doing a body swap on. We've got our 1970 GMC that we're going to be putting a fresh motor in before too long. We want to get that thing back in here. And we've got other projects. We've even got some classics out here that we might, you never know, they might just pop up on the channel. So you guys like, subscribe, appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.